Hi everyone. Just to let you know that the Australian Hair and Scalp Clinic will be going across to Perth in May for the AACNA Annual Conference. We will be presenting a seminar titled Chinese Herbal Solutions for Hair Loss, and it will be presented by our head trichologist, Angela Sun. So definitely worth coming along to. Just to give you a bit of information about our presenter, Angela is a trichologist. She's a hair and scalp specialist. She's a member of the IAT with over 5 years of clinical experience with various types of hair loss. And very importantly, she's the developer of the Oz Hair Clinical Assessment and Herbal Treatment Protocol. She's also successfully treated hundreds of people over the past few years. And she will present some information. Firstly, she'll begin by discussing some major causes of hair loss, and then she'll present the Oz Hair Herbal Hair Regrowth treatment and do some comparisons with current pharmaceuticals that are available on the market. She will then outline which stages of hair loss are most suitable for this type of herbal treatment, and she will then explain the hair recovery process. So, for example, how long will people need to use this treatment for before starting to see results, and also how long will they need to stay on the treatment for. So she'll go through all of that as well. Finally, she will review some real case studies from her own clinical experience. So as we said, we'll be going over to Perth. We'll be there between May 20th and May 22nd for the AACNA Annual Conference. That's at the Mercure Hotel at 10 Irwin Street in Perth. And please feel free to register your details below this video if you're interested. And we hope to see you in Perth in a couple of months. Thank you.